Today's the big day. We are officially en route to MB Custom Fab in Montclair, California with a bed full of suspension parts for the Tundra rebuild. Let's go. I am so fucking pumped right now. You guys have no idea. As much as I love this TRD Pro suspension, it just can't handle what I'm doing with the truck. So we're gonna rebuild everything. Fuck it, we're sending it. Let's take a peek at everything we got here.
Drop it.
Just wrapped up over at MB Custom Fab out in Montclair. Shout out Lund for taking care of the Tundra. She's sitting pretty as hell now. The suspension, man, I can't wait to put this to use. We're now en route over to Hazardous Auto Customs off of Rubidoux to get the alignment done. Then we're gonna go rip the desert. Let's have some fun. We are here, Hazardous Auto Customs, about to pull up, get this alignment done. wrapped up at Hazardous Customs. Shout out Coy and the rest of your team. Thank you guys so much for taking care of me on short notice. I know it's a lot to ask to do all of this the day before Anza, but we got it done. Let's go ripper this weekend. Woo!